What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in your riding lawnmower. First thing you're going to want to do is remove the key. Then locate your battery. Some batteries are located underneath the seat, others are located underneath the hood. In my case, it's located underneath the hood. If you haven't bought a replacement yet, you want to take note of which side the positive terminal is on. In my case, it's on the right. You're going to want to pick up this type of replacement battery. Using two 7/16" wrenches, you're going to loosen up the bolt holding on the negative cable. Have a cap on the positive, you're going to move that out of the way and remove the cable from the positive side of the battery next. Then just make sure the cables are up and out of the way. Next, if your battery has a strap, you're going to want to remove that and then pull the battery out. Then insert your new battery in the same orientation and reinstall the strap. Now when you reinstall the cables, you're going to want to do the positive side first. So remove the cap, put the bolt back through the wire, and tighten it down. Then replace the protective cap before installing the negative side. This prevents arcing. Next, remove the protective cap on the negative terminal, put the cable back on, insert the bolt and the nut, and tighten them down. Then if everything was done correctly, it should turn right over. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Also check out all my other mower maintenance videos. We'll see you in the next one.